Hello everybody. Welcome to another surprise live stream from Aileron Performing Arts Studio, which will soon be Aileron Live. I can't give you the website yet because I don't know exactly when it's going to be done. So anyway, here we are. I have a new comment box here, so if you write a comment, it should pop directly up on the screen. So I see 7 of you are watching, so if somebody could write a comment, and let's see if this thing works, and if the comments actually pop up the way they're supposed to, that would be great. You can comment on Facebook, YouTube, whatever you're watching this on, it will come through automatically to one source. So I have a couple things to update you on. One is that I have this new fun little item, which I can't really move very well because it's kind of tethered. But let me just see if I can get you to see it a little bit. This is called This is called a Elgato Stream Deck, and basically it's a bunch of buttons, and I can program them to do pretty much anything I want to do. So for example, let's try it out. So if I hit this button, and this, you will see this in our live classes, there's a 15-minute timer. If I hit this button, it goes boop, and it automatically shows a timer and starts from 15 minutes. That way, you know, when we're in between classes, we can very easily sort of set up the next one without too much effort. That looks like it's off center. There we go. And then the next button, we have just a wide shot. And then I've also programmed a floor shot. So if we want to zoom in, we can do that. And also a head shot, which is the same as where the, it used to be the same as the countdown. The countdown used to be the head shot, but I guess I moved it. So we have that. And then I also have my sound booth as well. What's really cool, and we did a little bit of this last time, is that you can also do picture-in-picture. So if I switch it, so if I add this, there you go. Now I can toggle that between this and that, and if I want to switch how you do it, I can do that. And all this is being done by just a simple button push. And then the crop split, ooh, crop split's cool. So you see how it's filling up the whole screen? Well, that's not very wide. If I want to see the entire screen side by side, all I have to do is hit crop split, and there we go. Right? Now, another thing I've done that you might find interesting is that I'm now shooting in, hi Lori, I am now shooting in 60p. Oh, hold on a second. It's doubling it up. That's good. All I have to do is, sorry about that, is go to my preferences and make sure that that does not come up. I didn't think it would come up, but I guess it does. You see how there's two different ones? All right, high quality video, sorry about that. This is good troubleshooting time. Where do I change that setting at anyway? So I'll get rid of that chat so you can see. It pop up. Hi, Kim Jones. How are you? I can also add these as well, so I can choose which ones come up. I'd rather do that. You know what I think I need to do is change the size of this thing. So if I go to there, and oops, sorry, Kim Jones says hi. Where is this chat box? Anyway, I'll play with that. But what I want to show you is the other view. So I'm going to hit it back to wide. So you will see, hopefully, I've been testing this all day, you will see hopefully that the lighting is a little bit better. I still need to get some more lighting or configure it to where I look a little more crisp. The movement should be smoother, right? I hope. Let me know if it is. Because I'm shooting at 60 frames a second. That means that the screen is flashing 60 pictures, one after the other, at your eyes every second. So that means motion's gonna be a lot smoother as opposed to what I was shooting before, which was 24p. Now I do tend to prefer to shoot 24p simply because it gives a more cinematic look, but when I'm live streaming and you're having a hard time getting that data all the way through to the end user, I feel like it looks better and it's smoother when it's in 60p. So you can let me know what you think in the comments, whether you think it looked better before or after. I'll also be streaming this to Zoom as well. Not this exact video, but I'll also be streaming to Zoom in 60p in the same way. So anyway, here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna crop and then boop. And I'm gonna go ahead and just exit picture-in-picture. Now the cool thing about picture-in-picture is that I can also change the shape of this. So this is kind of fun. So if I go to picture-in-picture shape, let's say that I'd rather have it round. Why not? Or round and bigger. So I've never tried this one exactly before. So if I had it in picture-in-picture, and I come up, then I show up as a little thing. Also, you can see my reflection in my laptop camera, but you know, so there's lots of functionality you can do. I have not yet gotten the second camera able to do, whoa, hold up. I've not gotten the second camera to be able to do switching yet, partly because I had to get an HD capture card, and not one Best Buy in the Richmond area had one. Everything's back ordered, so I will have it by Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I will not only be able to switch, you know, zooms and pans and that kind of thing, I'll be able to switch to the other side, which I showed last time. I don't have that hooked up. So I will be able to shift from camera to camera, so we could have one person over here and one person over there, and you could split screen them and have almost like a demonstrator, right? I know we can't really have people in the classroom right now, but you know, in the future, you know, and possibly, you know, when things ease up a little bit, we might be able to have an extra person in here or another teacher, you know, helping out. So there's all kinds of things we can do. What else is there? Oh yes, pre-recorded videos. I'm also able to pretty much stream anything I want to. Oh, that's my screen. Oh, I'll just go ahead and do that. So what I can also do, and I have this as a button on my pad as well, I can click share screen, right? So when I do that, you see what's on my screen, and now I become picture-in-picture. So let's say that I want to, let's see, let's say that I want to, you know, look at a YouTube video with you. I can just go to YouTube and let's type in dance, who knows what, right? So I don't know what any of this is, but let's say that we screen it.
One of the great challenges in this book is knowing enough about a subject to think you're right.
Oh, yeah. See, that's an ad, because I'm on the wrong YouTube account. But anyway, you get the point. See, let's say that we, whoa, hold up, I don't want that. I don't want that. All right, so back to, oh my goodness. GoPro, I'm looking up GoPro stuff. So I could switch back to that, and then ba-da-da. But I want to switch back to my camera, dance cam. There we go. Okay, cool. So anyway, there's that. Also, pre-recorded videos are coming. I just have been taking my time trying to get the technology straight so that I don't launch into something that doesn't have the quality that you're looking for. So it's coming. I am going to film a couple things in just a second, and hopefully I'll have something out there for you tomorrow or maybe the next day. But we're launching a new platform this week, and I can't tell you the exact day yet because it kind of depends on a few different factors. And I don't want to miss a deadline and then, you know, disappoint people. So stay tuned, it's coming. It's a big endeavor to create an entire video streaming on-demand platform. So working really hard, enjoying the process, I have to say. But anyway, for those of you who just joined me, I'll do one more sort of wide shot here so you can see the 60p, 60 frames a second. Luckily, I have enough, I think it's doing 60p. It might have downgraded if my internet's too slow. My internet should be fast enough. So, you know, when we're doing things, there's not as much motion blur. So if I'm doing a turn, which hopefully my turns look presentable this evening, I haven't done any class. If I do a turn, you know, you don't see it as blurry as you normally would see it. But I have to say, sometimes 60p feels a little jarring. It's not always my favorite frame rate to shoot in. So anyway, that's about it. Stay tuned, lots more to come. Also, we're gonna have some of our teachers make some pre-recorded content, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Thank you very much, and have a lovely evening, and I will see you next time. Oh, and by the way, I have a button on here that says finish, and as soon as I finish it, we are offline. So let's count down. 3, 2, 1, bye.